welcome once again to my channel. Hey guys, we are inside Elmina Ghana, another historic town in the central region of Ghana. We're going to do a bit of a stroll around. There's also a castle here, so we're going to also take a look at the Elmina Castle as well. But first of all, let's take a stroll around the Elmina township. So first of all, we're going to, over there is the Elmina Castle anyway. So you can see the castle over there. It's over there. Also played a role in the transatlantic slave. We're going to take a look at the fishermen here. I think it's a very stunning view to see the fishermen from above here. So we're going to watch them from above here, the bridge here. This is beautiful. So all these are canoes that are fishing. I think this is a lagoon, so they fish on the lagoon as well. And I think there is a bridge here that takes you to the other side of the town or of the city. There's also a hill over there. I think there's a fort, there's a chapel or a fort over there. It's far away over there. It's over there as well. So we're going to tour. So let's take a bit of a walk around the city first, or the town first, and then we come back. And as you can see, the canoes have different inscriptions on them. You can see one over there. Let me try zoom to see if I can. One there, onye nyamiten. That means no heart for God. So we're on the Elmina Bridge. I think Elmina is just some few minutes drive from Cape Coast. So definitely when you visit Cape Coast, then you have to come to Elmina as well. So that's like a twin city kind of, or a twin town kind of. Also, I can see some fort here. Let me show you some fort here. There is a fort on top of the mountain. No, this area is hilly. So you're likely to find hills around with forts and castles as well. I don't know the name of this one. Hello, sir. What's the name of that fort over there? Castle. What's the name of it?
Elmina Castle.
This one was Elmina Castle. Okay. So this is another part of the castle. Oh, okay. Thank you. So I'm told this is also another extension of the Elmina Castle as well. So that is the main castle over there. The main castle over there. So take a bit of a walk down. Probably I would have to go to the seaside as well. But let me do a bit of a walk. You know, people of Ghana are friendly. I'm told the people are friendly. So let me try do a bit of walk around the township. The Coconut Grove Bridge House as a hotel, accommodation, restaurant, and bar. So you know, when you are here, you could basically have a feel of the town. All these things are part of the colonial issues, and then the slave trade as well. I'm going to walk a few meters into the town, and then maybe I'll return back. Let me see. Let me use this side and see if I can find any iconic locations here. So we take a walk down. Very old city. Talking about the 14th era. So it's a bit quite old. We see a lot of tourists coming in here as well. Beautiful ancient architecture that I'm seeing. At that beautiful building. You can see this dates back the these centuries, hundreds of years ago. There will be no need to narrate the history and the story of this place. You need to come here yourself to come and experience the history, the culture, and the traditions of the people here. Such an amazing view. One thing about Elmina and Cape Coast is the moment you enter these two places, you begin to connect, begin to have the Afro connection, you begin to have the colonial connection when you step into this particular two towns here in West Africa, Ghana. Of course, you don't need to be told the history, you need to come here to feel it. I'm enjoying every bit on the streets of Elmina. A bit kind of hot here and I'm thirsty, but like I told you, once I'm on my cup and I'm vlogging, I basically don't feel the heat from the sun. There's a church on top of the hill that I wanted to cover. Like I told you in one of my videos, you find people's names written in front of their houses. So you have Mensa Brown House, and due to the touch that the people here had with the colonial masters, most of the names here are, European names. If you come to these places, we have English names. We have English names with the Simpsons and Blankson and Brown and all you can think of. This firewood you see here is used mainly to smoke fish. You know, fishing is one of the major occupations here, so these are used to smoke fish as well. So maybe after vlogging I'll need to get myself some fish because there's a lot of fish here. It's called Boa Wonho Bridge. That means help yourself bridge. There's a bridge here. It's called the Boa Wonho Bridge. We'll walk. And talking about the Boa Wonho Bridge, you also have a similar one in Cape Coast called the London Bridge, and it basically looks the same as the Boa Wonho Bridge. We haven't gone there yet. I couldn't go to that of Cape Coast, which is the London Bridge. That is one thing I love about this area, the church buildings. Wow, nice church buildings. So like I keep saying, there's a program going on over there. I'm going to use this stretch. I like this alleyway. I'm going to try it as a work we've chosen to do. So you can see another colonial building in front of me. Look at the colonial architecture. Beautiful. You just love every bit of it. And there are shops around too as well. So I think whatever you want to buy, you can buy walking along the streets. There's a church square here. Beautiful, beautiful Elmina. So yeah, I told you guys at the beginning that I'll surely taste some fish. Oh, this is a fishing town. So after doing my vlog and returning back, I'm going to take some fish as well. There's a fishing harbor here as well, the Elmina fishing harbor. Let me see if I'm going to be allowed to enter into the fishing harbor as well. So we entered the beach, the harbor. It's just close to the castle. You can see the castle from here. So this is the fishing harbor here. It's a huge fishing harbor where fishing takes place here. So you have the sheds. Workshops and all that. So let's go. Let's take the other side. workshop. There's a workshop. There's an auction hall where they do the auction of the fish catch. So there's a whole huge fishing harbor around here in the Elmina township. Such a huge harbor. Yeah. I wish I could have the chance of getting some fish to buy. Let me go to the other side and see if I can get fish to buy. Already fried fish to buy over there. But you can see massive number. Numerous boats. Whoa. Wow. So many boats. Tells you how big the fishing industry is here. So we have the sheds. Got a number of boats. Plenty boats here. Wow. And then they have an admin block too here. They have freezing containers out there as well. The freezing house where they freeze the fish as well. I'm leaving the fishing harbor finally. Off to the township itself. Oh, I wish I could get to cruise on one of these boats here. Oh guys, I walk into a place here that I can find. Yes, sir. Can I get something, some water or something to buy? Unless I go upstairs. So I have to climb upstairs and go get myself some refreshments. It's been a tiring day walking around vlogging. A lot of sound here. So finally got some water and have to continue the vlog here in Elmina using another bridge. It's an old rugged steel bridge, very old bridge. There's a small market just around the castle, so I'm gonna walk there. So I'm going to walk. I don't want to enter the castle itself, so just going to take a stroll around. Just take a stroll around and then I return finally. So that's the frontage of the castle itself. So over there, there's the beach side. Well, viewers, without much ado, I'd like to say thank you very much for watching. Hit the subscribe button and subscribe. From Elmina Ghana.